What's up guys? Before starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new video that I post online. In this video, I will be showing you why you can follow someone on TikTok. So let's begin. First we should open TikTok. So let's see the following of this channel. The reason you may not be able to follow people on TikTok anymore, maybe you followed many people at once, so TikTok saw that as a violation, and that's why they may have limited your follow activity for 24 hours. So if you keep on violating and doing the same thing, it may extend the time. Another reason may be that the person that you wanted to follow specifically may be a private account, and when you try to follow that account, they may have denied, so you can't follow them anymore, or they may have blocked you. So those may be the reasons you can't follow anymore. So I hope you like the video, and please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.